So first of all, go to your Roblox Studio and open that game, which game you want to make playable for others. And now simply go ahead and finish your game or experience editing. Now go to File and first of all click on Save to Roblox. And now enter here your game name. And you can write a description for the game. And creator, I'm selecting me. And devices, I'm selecting computer, phone, tablet. And team create, I'm turning on team create and clicking on save. And then the game will save in your Roblox in just a few seconds. Once done, again click on File and this time click on Publish to Roblox. And here you can see this game has been successfully published on Roblox. And now on, anyone will be able to play this game on Roblox. And now let's see how to publish a game for Roblox. So on your browser, open Roblox and make sure to log into your account. Then click on Create. In here, select Creations. Under My Experiences, click the game that you want to publish. And in here, you have to expand Configure and click on Settings. In Settings, you can rename the game, you can add a description, and here we can see the privacy sections. So here we have to select Public. Now all you have to need to scroll down and click on Save Changes. As you can see, this game is now public. So that's how you can actually make a game public and playable for others.